Good afternoon, YouTube. It is Friday, July 9th, 2021. Finished up this job last night. It's 4 rims for a new model Mustang GT. They were powder coated a satin black. He wanted them gloss black. So I put them in the sandblast cabinet and sandblasted them, primed them, sanded them, primed them, sanded them again to get them slick. And then I sprayed 3 coats of black and clear on the rims. So another job finished, ready to go. I need to get my shop cleaned up today, but I'm gonna head up to the other shop and sandblast the grill for the Farmall M, and then I'll bring it back down here after I'm done sandblasting it, and I'll show you where I'm at, and it's easier to find some of the repairs that way. So anyway, so this is where I'm at. As you can see, I'll paint almost anything. Well, I painted 4 parts, so I will paint anything, even a John Deere. So that's it. That's one of the jobs I finished up last night, and I'm gonna start on the restoration of that grill. Kind of up in the air about the stand. I don't know whether I want to make it, we'll make it adjustable for different grills, but I don't know whether I want to make it where you can angle it on one end and just set it up like this to make it easier to work on. I probably will, but I at least want to get that sandblasted today and clean up this shop some more to make it more presentable and easier to work in. So stay tuned. I'm going to head up to the other shop and sandblast it. And once I'm done, I'll come back down to this shop and we'll go over what I have to do to the grill. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'm headed up to the other shop. All right, well, this is gonna be the first part of the grill restoration video. Honestly, I can't tell you how many parts it's gonna be. I'll try and keep it to a minimum. And yeah, me being a nosy neighbor, strange cars go by, you always look. But anyway, so my sandblast cabinet, I thought I bought one big enough, but after putting that grill for that M in here, that grill is right there. It takes up half this cabinet. So I'm pretty sure I can get the hood in here, but the grill being as bulky as it is, it takes up some space. So, but I'm gonna turn it on here. It's gonna make a little noise. The compressor might kick on, but we'll get the sandblasting it, and then once it's sandblasted, I'll take it out of the cabinet. We'll look at it. And yeah, like I said, it's a tight fit in here with this grill, but I'll slide it down a little bit, and I got a little bit more working room. He does a pretty good job. Well, I hope you can hear me. It does a good job on removing paint and rust. Now, the powder coating on the wheels that I showed you in the previous video, it took some time, but that powder coating was on there. It's baked on there, so that's the biggest difference. The other grill sandblasted, and you can see all the imperfections in the metal once it's sandblasted. So, I mean, I still got a little bit more to do. I just didn't have enough room in my cabinet to flip it that way, but the most important part is the inside is done. So, I'm happy. So, and I can get the inside of my hood, but I just tried that to make sure that that's going to work. And I'm pretty sure I can get the gas tank for this thing in there, and a few other small parts. but I didn't know before I bought it, but that's okay. I can still use it. But anyway, what I was going to do was, like I said, this is the original grill that came on mine, and it's in better shape than the one that's on the floor. I bought the screen to go in here to finish this out, keep the birds and all kinds of stuff out. All those tractor winds complete. It's not going to be sitting outside, it'll be inside. It's going to be my trailer queen, but I will use it. Anyway, getting back to this grill. So, this grill, like a lot of them, the previous owner has cut the bottom out, which this little plate here shall make the place of that. But I'm going to use this to get this in here and get it lined up even and get the front. You can see how the front is came in here. I need to bring this back out and straighten the rails or the ribs in the grill, which I have the dollies to do that. So there's a little bit, there's a dent here, and like I said, right here, where the bolt from the steering bolster was running, almost run through, unfortunately it didn't run through, so I hammered it back together, and now I'm going to, just take and pedal the mid gun and just like, beep until, or tack, but don't need to sweat on it. Anyway, I'm going to tack it, little tacks until I get that feel, and then I'll grind it down, and then I'll do the same thing on the inside. So, but this is it, and like I said, I'm going to just take a sander and some 80 grit paper and knock the rest of this down. I got a dent right here that fits good. So, this is the end of the first video. I do need to make the stand for it. I can do more work to it, like straighten the bottom edges and stuff here, which really doesn't require a stand for that. But I do need to go over to Tractor Supply, and hopefully they got the square tubing I need. But like I said, I have some 1-inch square tubing around here, but I'm going to use that as the inner piece. So I need a piece of square tubing. Excuse me. Anyway, I'm trying to talk too much or too fast. But, I don't know. Anyway, so I got some work to do. I got to go pick up a little bit more materials to do the stand. And like I said, I'm thinking about making it where it angles on the back end, which will be this end up here. So you can raise it up and down and give you more area to work. So, well, that's it. This will be the end of this, and like I said, I'm going to put some sandpaper on a DA and finish knocking this off and just going over and maybe spray a little rust kill on the inside where I couldn't get good with the sandblaster. But I can wire brush it and spray rust kill on it, which would be good. But anyway, that's it for the first one of reworking the grill. Thanks for watching. I've also got a couple of new subscribers in the past couple of days. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. And stay tuned because we're going to get back on this. Hopefully I get the tubing tomorrow. The guy that owns the rims is supposed to come tomorrow and pick those up. So hopefully I can get back on this tomorrow and we can move on. Well, thanks again for watching. Welcome to the channel if you're a new subscriber, and thanks for continuing to watch for the guys who've already subscribed. Have a good afternoon.